Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. Guysini, finally, congratulations to Usamke on being uMrs. Mseleku the fifth. Yes, ugirl ungenile guys, amalobolo ahambile, ugirl amalobolo wakhe was expensive. We saw the many thousands that were laid on the ground, but excuse me, over and above, I think Ugutum Seleku was faithful and he did what needed to be done and he showed up and showed off because the family yakakwela looked ngathi abantu bajabulile lokho baze nakho. So here's the thing. Laba abawu-4 bayathanda abathandi bele amukele bele bamthande. UMacele uyenzile yakhe washo ukuthi nope mina I'm accepting akangene. uMakhumalo was accepting until azi ukuthi lo makhelwane wami then inkinga yaba lapho mina according to me. But at this point whatever they do uSamke ungaphakathi Samke wapere okay aswapare ring mara ke twang libone ngwana and uzile sebathala mandwende bulela mandwende. I can't sing but guys no uSamke was happy. Girl though usine represented her dad well. They came back nomphago obonisayo ukuthi bamukeleke kahle and that all went well. And uMacele was like no I'm happy ukuthi number 5 ukhona emthethweni. And uMseleku in his diary session said mele uMacele uyozophusha ukuthi lo aqedelele. And uMacele also said the same thing ukuthi it should not take long until amalobolo kagirl aqediwe and then ugirl ushaya istep and then bathelana ngeinyongo and kuba uSamke Mseleku the 5th. No, congratulations Batho.